If you live in Colorado, Nebraska, Kansas today, you got enhanced with severe weather today. Alright, everyone, so we can see our day one severe weather risk for today, everyone, for June 20th. We got enhanced risk in Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska, a slight risk in Nebraska, Missouri, Oklahoma, Colorado, then a marginal risk in Utah, we can see, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico, we can see Texas, Oklahoma, and even Arkansas, and even part of Iowa, we can see also. Then a marginal risk in Louisiana, we can see Mississippi and Alabama too. We can see everybody on here. So, okay, everyone. So let's talk about the tornado risk for today, everybody. So this is what our tornado risk looks like for today, everyone. We got a 5% tornado risk in Wyoming, Nebraska, Colorado. We can see Kansas with the slash dotted lines. That pretty much means we have a significant one, the potential for more tornadoes, and you have 2+ tornadoes possible in that blocked out area in the brown. So we can see in the green region, in the 2% in Nebraska, we got a 2% tornado risk in Missouri, Oklahoma, Texas, Wyoming, and Colorado today also too, guys. So let's talk about our wind risk, everybody, today. So this is what our wind risk looks like, everyone, for today. We got a 30% wind risk in Kansas, a significant one, potential for damaging winds. We can see really damaging winds potentially. We can see in Kansas and Nebraska. And we can see 15% wind risk we got in Colorado, Nebraska, Missouri. We can see also on here. Then a 5% wind risk in Missouri, Wyoming. We can see Utah, Nevada, Idaho, Montana. We can see also on here in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. You can see also. So let's talk about our hail items so we can see our hail risk today. We got a 30% hail risk in Colorado, Kansas. We can see even Nebraska. We can see the black dotted lines, the red. That means a 30% hail risk, potential for large hail. We can see kind of larger hail today. We can see in that red area. So then a 15% hail risk in Nebraska, Kansas, a 5% hail risk in Nebraska, Kansas, South Dakota. We can see Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado, and Texas, and Oklahoma. You can see also 2 on here, guys. So yeah, let's move on to our day 2 severe weather risk today, everyone. So we do have a day 2 severe weather risk for the 21st. For Father's Day, a Father's Day severe weather risk, we can see our slight risk in Kansas, Missouri, Illinois. We can see Oklahoma, Arkansas. We can see that a margin risk in Indiana, Illinois, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee. We can see Nebraska, Wyoming, Colorado, New Mexico. We can see in Little Mississippi. We can see on there also too, guys. Is it a margin risk too, also, guys? So. Alright, everyone, so we got our day 2 tornado risk here. We can see for the 21st of Father's Day, we got a 5% tornado risk in Illinois, a little of Indiana. We can see Missouri and the black dotted lines we can see on there. Then we got a 2% tornado risk in Illinois, Missouri, Kansas, Arkansas. We can see Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana. We can see also too, guys. So, alright, everyone, so we got our wind risk for the 21st here. We can see we got a 15% wind risk for Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana. We can see Arkansas, Tennessee. Then we got a 5% risk over there in Nebraska, Kansas, Colorado, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma. We can see Mississippi, Tennessee. We can see also on here. Okay, we can see our hail risk for the 21st here. We got a 15% hail risk. We can see in Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Oklahoma, Colorado, the black dotted lines. We can see potential for large hail. We can see there in Colorado tomorrow. Then we got a 5% hail risk for Illinois, Indiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma. You can see also for tomorrow, everybody. So, just so you guys know, there'll be another update about this tomorrow in a new video. So, let's talk about the Monday severe weather risk too. Alright, everyone, so we got Monday severe weather risk we can see here, everyone. We got margin risk in Colorado, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, North, South Carolina, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Ohio, Indiana. We can see also on here for Monday, everyone. So I will keep a look on this too. I'll let you guys know if anything changes for Sunday and Monday in tomorrow's video. So let's look at our radar projections now. Alright, everyone, so it looks like we got our radar projections for this evening. We can see, so remember if that says 7, it's actually 6 p.m. for Central Time. So this is 6 p.m. Central Time. We can see, everyone, we got looks like some storms in Colorado trying to form New Mexico. Looks like we got some rain in Nebraska. We can see maybe some rain in South Dakota. Maybe some pop-up storm in Utah. We can see also on here around 6 p.m. We can see everyone for today, everyone. So then we got 7 p.m. Looks like we have a lot of storms trying to form in Kansas, Nebraska. We see also looks like New Mexico too, Nebraska. We can see rain in South Dakota, See Wyoming. We can see Nebraska too also on here. Then it looks like we got 8 p.m. we can see on here. We got storms in Kansas, Nebraska, looks like too. You can see, but you see we got some maybe pop-up storms in Montana we can see also too on here, guys. And some rain in Iowa we can see also on here too. Then we can see 9 p.m. we got storms in Nebraska we can see, and even Kansas, and even Montana too. We can have maybe some potential storms. And rain in South Dakota we can see also too on here, guys. Rain in Iowa, Missouri we can see also too, guys, and some pop-up storms maybe in Oklahoma too we can see. Then we can see 10 p.m. we got storms in Nebraska we can see on here, in Kansas. Then it looks like we got some rain scattered in Montana, maybe a potential storm there. Some rain in South Dakota we can maybe see also on here, but storms look like they're in Nebraska and Kansas we can see on here too, guys. Then 11 p.m. we can see we got storms in Kansas we can see, Nebraska, rain in South Dakota, rain in Montana we can see maybe also, rain in Wyoming and Idaho we can see also too. Then midnight comes along, we can see we still got some maybe storms in Nebraska and the Kansas border. You can see around midnight we get some rain in Missouri, Iowa. You can see rain in Wyoming, Montana, Idaho. You can see. Then 1 in the morning, we still have some storms in Kansas. We can see Nebraska, Iowa. We can see Missouri. We can see also South Dakota. We can see in Utah. Then it looks like we maybe have some storms overnight too. Looks like in the morning hours too, 5 in the morning. Looks like maybe we have some storms in Kansas we can see also on here too. In Missouri we got some rain also on here too, guys. Then it looks like our storms will start to break off around 9, 10, and 11 in the morning. We can see also. Alright, guys, so let's look at tomorrow's radar projections now. So it's already the next days, but let's look at later in the day's radar projections. Alright, now we're at 4 p.m., everyone, so we're going to start seeing more storms again. Starting to pop up in Missouri. We can see Nebraska. Even Colorado we can see on here also, guys. Some scattered rain in North and South Dakota, Minnesota, Iowa, Illinois we can see also on here. Then we can see around 5 p.m. everyone, we got storms in Missouri. We can see Nebraska. We can see also rain in South Dakota, Minnesota, North Dakota. We can see also on here for 5 p.m. we can see. Then we got 6 p.m. comes along. We got a storm in Illinois. We can see Kansas, Texas, Oklahoma. Some scattered rain in Nebraska, Minnesota, South Dakota, North Dakota. We can see also rain in Illinois and Indiana. We can see also. Then we got 7 p.m. We can see everyone on here. We got, looks like a line of storms forming in Missouri, Illinois, Kansas, Oklahoma. We can see out here, and even Nebraska, we got some storms too. Also, we got 8 p.m. coming along. We can see we got a line of storms in Missouri, Illinois, Kansas. We can see rain in some storms in Illinois. We can see also on here some rain in Minnesota, South Dakota, North Dakota. Storms in Kansas. We can even see also Oklahoma. We can see also on here, guys. Also for 8 p.m. I can see some rain in Nebraska too. South Dakota, also North Dakota. We can see also rain in Indiana. We can see also. Then we got 9 p.m. we can see on here. We got storms in Missouri, Illinois, Oklahoma, Kansas. We can see also. We got, looks like some rain in storms there, and even in Illinois and Indiana. We can see the heavier rain on there also. Then we can see at 10 p.m. we got a line of storms in Missouri, Illinois. We can see storms in Oklahoma, Kansas. We can see rain in Iowa, Nebraska, rain in Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Michigan. We could even see also on here. Then 11 p.m. we could see on here we got rain in Missouri, Illinois. We can see on here also Oklahoma, Kansas. We can see rain in Nebraska, Iowa, rain in North Dakota. We can see also on here too, guys. You see, then it looks like we got some around midnight. We can see we got line storms in Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Oklahoma. Got some looks like some storms in Indiana. We could even see also on here too, guys. Then around 1 o'clock in the morning, we got strong line of storms in Kentucky, Missouri. We can see Oklahoma, Arkansas. We can see also, but remember, these radar projections are far. They could change really far, kind of far out. Then we can see 2 o'clock in the morning. We can see I have a storm line in Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky. We can see also on here. It looks like 3 o'clock in the morning. Our line starts to go energy starts to go down a bit. We can see in Arkansas, Missouri, Kentucky, Oklahoma. Then looks like we got around looks like by 6 in the morning our storm line's gonna be completely gone. It looks like just rain by 5, 6 in the morning. You can see in Arkansas, but see we got looks like a storm in Oklahoma. We can see also 2 guys on there. Alright everyone, so we got our day 1 excessive rainfall outlook. We see on here we got a moderate risk, looks like in Nebraska, Kansas, Iowa, Missouri. We can see then a slight risk of excessive rainfall in Kansas. We can see in Missouri. We can see for today. Then we can see on here also we got a slight risk of excessive rain in Louisiana, Texas, even part of Panhandle, Florida today. Looks like Alabama. We can see. Then we can see even 5% off excessive rainfall here. We can see for Illinois, Iowa, North, South Dakota, Montana, Kansas. We can see also on here too, guys. So we see on here. Just gonna show you that before I showed you the rainfall totals, guys. Now, also I wanted to show you guys something. This is what our rain totals are saying they could be for the next 24 hours from Saturday to 2 p.m. to Sunday to 2 p.m. We can see on here. We can see in some parts of Nebraska, we could get up to 4 inches of rain. It says on here. 3 inches in Iowa. We can see also of rain potentially. Missouri 1.2 inches. We can see Illinois 1.4. Kansas 1.1. We can see on here. 1 inch in parts of Kansas, Missouri 1.23 inches of rain. We can see also on here. In even South Dakota, we get an inch of rain too. Also, but this doesn't stop. We can see you can see on here over on the Sunday. We can see more heavier rain totals come in Illinois and Indiana. We see up to 2 inches. We can see on here too. In some places, we can see Missouri 1.2 inches of rain. We can see also on here. Let's move over here. So, see Indiana 1.4 inches of rain. We can see 1.5, even 2 inches, 3 inches possible in Iowa. We see about even Ohio, we get over an inch of rain in some spots. We can see also on here, like 1.1, 1.3. Illinois, we get easily over 2 inches in some spots. We can see 2.5 inches of rain. You can see on here also too, guys. Yeah, then we could even see Sunday at 7 p.m. to Monday at 7 p.m. But this can change a bit before then. Just showing you guys what it looks like. 1.7, even 2 inches in parts of Pennsylvania of rain. We can see also 2 on here, guys. We can see also. Alright, so we're going to skip ahead a bit. So this is at 10 p.m. in Illinois. We can see, remember, Illinois is Central Time. So that's why I say it's Central Time, 10 p.m. in Illinois and 11 p.m. in Indiana. We can see also there's a rain. We can see Ohio has rain. We can see also heavy rain in Illinois. We can see also. Then we can see 2 o'clock in the morning, the heavy rain moves into Indiana. We can see on Monday. We can see rain in Ohio, also Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas. You can see also on here. So Mississippi, we can see also on here too, guys. See also. Alright, everyone, so I already showed you what Sunday could potentially look like on the radar projections from before. So this is what I'm going to show you now for Ohio, Indiana. We can see just from Monday at 5 a.m. You see we got heavier rain in Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Pennsylvania, Arkansas, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi. We can see New York. You can see Michigan. We can see also on here. Then 8 a.m. on Monday, we can see we have heavier pockets of rain in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, Kentucky. We can see also on here too, guys. Then Monday at 11 a.m. we can see we have heavier rain in Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York. We can see also too on here. Kentucky, we have some rain in West Virginia. We see New Jersey also on here. And Monday at 11 a.m. we can see everybody. So then Monday at 2 p.m. we have rain in Pennsylvania, New York. We can see also some of the New England states. We can see also on here too. Kentucky, West Virginia. Then it looks like 8 p.m. on Monday we have potentially heavier rain near New York. We can see some of the New England states too also. Then 8 p.m. we can see we have heavier rain in some of the New England states, rain in Ohio, Pennsylvania. We can see also on here. Then let's move on to 11 p.m. We can see maybe some more heavy rain in New England states for Monday at night. We can see also Pennsylvania. We got rain in West Virginia. We can see also on here too, guys, for Monday at 11 p.m. Everybody, we can see also too. So it looks like Tuesday we got some heavier rain in the early morning hours, and about 8 a.m. looks like the rain is pretty much gone. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. See you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and notification bell. You never miss a video like this, guys. Okay, guys, I see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.